Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's George and today's video is going to be talking you through my experience with BOLDUNIQ purple shampoo. So today's video is going to be testing out a new purple shampoo, which I am very excited about. So I actually love purple shampoo. It's really good for removing brassy and yellow tones from your hair if you prefer like a more ashy look. It's really good at sort of taking you back to how your hair looked when you first left like the salon when you got it done or whatever. The brand that I'm going to be using in today's video is called BOLDUNIQ. So they kindly gifted me a shampoo and a hairbrush, a tangle teaser type vibe. So I'm really excited to see what this does to my hair, and hopefully it makes it look a bit like the models on the front, so it shows like the ashy and the yellow. It removes brassy and yellow tones. It's cruelty free, vegan, paraben and sulfate free. So I'm really excited to see how this works, and like I've seen pictures of it on Instagram and it seems to make like a huge difference to people's hair, so I'm hoping it'll do the same to mine. So inside the box you get some instructions which I'll read before I put it on just to make sure I'm doing it correctly. Don't want to leave it on for too long, like end up like purple hair or something. And then also the shampoo, which has the same image as it does on the box. So next I'm going to go shampoo my hair, leave this on. I think I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm going to double check on the instructions that that's enough time, but I'll let you know like in the next step of the video how long I've left it on for, and then I'll do like before and after of my hair and then just discuss how it feels and to make sure it's all good. But yeah, jump straight into it and basically talk to you about my experience with the purple shampoo. So I first got gifted this I think at the beginning of February. I got sent the package, was so excited to try it, watched like a few YouTube videos of girls who've already tried the product just to sort of like see what the results are like, and sort of I stalked their Instagram page and like, oh, itchy nose, just to see what their results are like. And all the pictures that I saw, like it really transformed all this blonde hair to like platinum, silvery, all that sort of stuff, and I really like it when my hair's more ashy. So I was so excited that perhaps I didn't read the instructions properly. So on the back of the bottle it's got I think 3 different time lengths. It's got 1 to 3 minutes, I want to say 3 to 5 minutes, and then 10 to 15 minutes. And I was so excited to try this product out that I was kind of like, oh, okay cool, yeah, like I could do like 4 or 5 minutes, or like I'll aim for 3 minutes, but like if it's 4 or 5 minutes, like I'm sure it won't make that much of a difference. So I didn't really time myself properly. I got in the shower, sort of chucked it all on my hair, had like this big purple mass on my head, and basically did it for a song length, thinking a song length was about 3 minutes, but obviously I can't actually remember what song it even was. But I didn't time it properly and it's all a bit of a nightmare. I looked in the shower, washed all the purple shampoo out, part of my hair was still purple. Obviously this is when I like proper started freaking out. I was like, oh my god, my hair's purple. And then I remember reading this thing in their instructions saying if your hair does turn purple then you can just rinse it out with your normal shampoo and basically the purple will come out. So I washed my hair a couple of times with the purple shampoo but nothing was really happening. So I was like, oh, maybe it's just the lighting in the shower. So I put the conditioner on, sort of got out of the shower, dried my hair, and this chunk in my left hand side was just purple. And I was like, oh my god, started freaking out, started crying, was shouting to my housemates being like, guys, my hair's purple. Like full on meltdown, because my hair's quite blonde and I feel like when your hair looks rubbish or when your hair doesn't look nice and you feel not nice, like you want, if your hair looks good then you feel good. I don't know if that's just me, but that's how I feel anyway. But yeah, so basically I had this full on meltdown, emailed Lindsay, who is lovely by the way, like so helpful, and she sort of helped me what to do. So basically, if this does happen, wash your hair with Head and Shoulders. It's a clarifying shampoo, I want to say, and it will strip the colour out of it. But obviously for a few days I was just like, oh my god, it's ruined my hair, don't know what to do. But then obviously Lindsay was like, did you do it for 1 to 3 minutes? And I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure I did it like 3, maybe 4 minutes, because I don't know, I just thought that was the right amount of time, because my other purple shampoo I think I leave on for like 5 or 10 minutes, and yeah, but obviously this shampoo is so strong, like the colouring in it is just, I don't know what's in it, but basically it makes your hair a lot quicker, it turns it more ashy a lot faster than other purple shampoos, which is amazing by the way. Like instead of standing in the shower for like 10 minutes it can be like 3 minutes. So she was so helpful, like big shout out to Lindsay for literally helping me through all of this, like she's been amazing. So I was kind of like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna do it again, like I'm really scared it's gonna happen to my hair again. And she was like, oh, just try it for 1 to 3 minutes and see if you get the same results, because obviously we'd love for you to experience the same results that so many more of our customers do. So I was like, okay, yeah, like I'll try it again in a few weeks. So 2 weeks later is where we are today, and I tried it again. So obviously I was a bit nervous to try it again, just because of the disaster that I basically had last time. All my own fault though, like not reading the instructions properly. 1 to 3 minutes, guys. If you get a shampoo, please, the first time you do it, do 1 to 3 minutes, because this time I left it for about 2 minutes 10 seconds, I want to say, and it has honestly made my hair so much brighter. Like I'll do it before and after, but honestly it's made my hair look so much brighter. It feels nice. Like the shampoo itself is like a really citrusy, like lemony smell, so it feels like really fresh. It looks quite scary in the shower, I won't lie to you. It's like really vibrant purple, and it's like, whoa, this is dark. But with the results you get for your hair, it's so much better. But also this time, instead of just sort of shoving all the shampoo on my head and like leaving it there, I put it on, sort of like smoothed my hair down and then brushed it through. So I don't know if this made more of a difference, but I would definitely try doing this technique instead, like just sort of putting it on, brushing your hair through whilst it's on, leaving it for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinsing it off, because this is how I got the best results. And honestly, this shampoo is actually amazing, and now I know how my hair reacts to it. I can now go forward with that and sort of work out what actually the best time length is for my hair, because obviously you don't want to end up what I ended up doing. But I also think with my hair, because my hair is like balayaged and the top bit's dark and the bottom bit's lighter, I need to concentrate mine more at the top of my head than at the bottom, because otherwise like the bottom will be really bright and white and purple, but the top might still be a bit yellowy and it might be a bit of a mismatch. So it is really about working out how your hair reacts to the products, like what areas are more porous and will attract like the purple colour, which areas might need more concentration of the purple shampoo, and all that. But so sort of like in conclusion, this shampoo is actually really good. Now that I've tried it properly, I really like it. It's made my hair brighter, lighter. It doesn't feel damaging. Like I just conditioned it like normal, and it's not dried my hair out. It's not made it feel damaged. It's not turned my hair purple when using it properly. So I would definitely, please read the instructions. Don't do what I did and sort of just guess it was 3 minutes. Like proper use a timer. But yeah, like I genuinely would really use this shampoo. Like before I was like, oh my god, I can't use it. But my friend also used their shampoo and her hair looked amazing. She looked like brighter, lighter, more awake. So I think it is just learning about what works best for your hair and how your hair reacts with the shampoo. But yeah, I really like this shampoo. So thank you so much for BOLDUNIQ for sending me this shampoo to try it all out and to review for you. And this is like my honest review, guys, like my proper experience with it and all that. And also thank you, Lindsay, for like helping me through my dilemmas and helping me how to sort of make sure I use the product properly. But yeah, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something a bit different, I feel, for my channel. But yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, like please leave them below in the comments and I'll try and like figure out what I can do. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.